You don't need a massive commercial space to produce professional level work. Throughout this video, you're going to see the model Sys to show you exactly what kind of images you can create in a space like this. We'll be shooting beauty shots, half body, and full standing poses using setups with up to 3 lights. Let's get into it, but first, let's roll the intro. This right here is a full working photography studio inside a 15.5 by 10 foot room, and it's about 9 feet high. Let's address the reality. Space. This is not a large studio. It's controlled, it's tight, and every inch matters. In a room this size, you can't have wasted movement. Everything is deliberate. Where you stand, where your subject stands, where your light sits, it all has a purpose. And that discipline is exactly what allows you to produce consistent results. This is where it all comes together. I'm running a Godox lighting system, typically starting with a large softbox as my key light. From there, I build out depending on the look, adding a strip box for separation and a third light when needed for background or fill. For this session with Sys, we'll move between 1 light, 2 lights, and 3 light setups. In a small space, light control is everything. Your walls, your floor, they all reflect light. So you have to control spill using modifiers, angles, and distance. I keep my key light close and control that gives me soft, professional light without contaminating the entire room. Let's break down what we're doing with Sys. We start with the beauty shots, tight framing, control light. Focus on skin tones, facial structure. This is where your lighting precision really shows. Then we move into half body composition. This gives you more storytelling, more posture, more interaction with the light and shadows. And finally, full standing shots. Even in a small space, you can create depth and separation if your lighting and positioning are correct. All of this happening in the same room by adjusting angles, focal lengths, and the light placement. In a space like this, you don't install anything permanent. I use collapsible backdrops and textured background so I can switch looks quickly. That allows me to go from clean commercial work to more dramatic or editorial looks without resetting the entire studio. This room is doing more than just photography. I shoot video here, product work, YouTube content, client sessions. This is how you maximize a small footprint. Your setup should be always close to ready. You're not building from scratch every time. You're refining a system that works. Now let's talk about client experience. Even in a small space, your client should feel like they walked into something professional. There's a dressing area, music, climate control, and basic beauty support. That changes everything. Your client relaxes, and when they relax, the photos improve. A small studio setup like this keeps overhead low and margins high. No commercial rent, no wasted space, Just control an environment that produces consistent results, and that's how you build a sustainable photography business. If you're waiting for a bigger studio before starting, you're wasting your time. Build what you have, master your space, and get to work.
Hi there, this is Ses. For more portrait sessions like this, you can follow Portraits by Juan L. Smith on YouTube, and you can follow me on my Instagram at Ses Cavay. I'll see you soon!
Thank you for our loyal supporters who keeps rocking with us on a weekly basis. And for you new subscribers, we really appreciate you pressing that subscribe button. We'd like to thank our sponsors. At this time, we'd like to thank Juan L. Smith Photography for sponsoring this video. Yes, we sponsor our own videos because we're too small to have real sponsors. So, if you feel like supporting this channel, please click one of the affiliate links below. It will cost you no more money and will really support this channel. If you're not in the market for any photography equipment, please also consider clicking the Buy Me a Coffee link. That also supports the channel, and it costs no more than buying me a cup of coffee. We really appreciate your time and effort. I'll see you in the next one.